In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook Pixel on Typeform. To get started, the first thing you need is your Pixel ID from Meta. Open your Meta business account, then go into Events Manager. From there, select the pixel or dataset that you want to use with your Typeform. Once you have the correct one selected, copy the Pixel ID. This is the key piece that connects your form activity back to Meta, so it's worth taking a moment to make sure you've copied the right number before moving on. Next, open Typeform and log into your account. From your workspace, open the specific form you want to track. This is important because the integration is configured at the form level, so you'll want to be inside the exact Typeform where you want Facebook or Meta tracking to happen. Once the form is open, click on the Connect tab. In the Integrations area, search for Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel. When it appears, click Connect. This will open the setup area where you can link your meta tracking to the form. Now paste in the Pixel ID you copied earlier. Double check that the number is correct because even a small mistake here can stop your tracking from working properly. If everything looks good, you're ready for the next part. You may also see an option to enable iOS tracking. This step is optional, but if you want better support for tracking on iOS devices, you can turn it on. Just keep in mind that Typeform requires a custom subdomain for this feature, so if you don't already have that configured, you may need to set that up first. If you do enable iOS tracking, there's one more setup piece involved, domain verification. Typeform will provide a URL for you to copy. Take that URL into your Meta Business domain settings, add it there, and follow Typeform's verification instructions. After that, paste the verification URL or code back into Typeform. The good news is that this part only needs to be completed the first time. After everything is configured, return to your Typeform and click Save. At this point, your Facebook or Meta Pixel is connected. Now it's time to test it. Open your published Typeform, go through a few questions, and submit a test response. If you want to confirm that events are firing correctly, you can use Facebook Pixel Helper to check the activity. Finally, review your events inside Meta. Typeform tracks page views by default, and it can also send TypeformFirstInteraction when someone first engages with the form, plus TypeformSubmit after a successful submission. Once you've submitted at least one test response, you can use the TypeformSubmit event in Meta to create a custom conversion and categorize it based on your